guys, it's Wazo. How you doing? My mouth looks really weird when I talk. When I smile, like, it looks really funny. Well, anyway, for today's video, I'm sure you would have guessed, I'm going to be showing you how I did this scarecrow sort of half and half Halloween sort of look. I was mainly inspired by this wig from Lush Wigs, which I'll leave a link to in the description below. So if you would like to see how I did this, then keep watching. Okay, so I started with my base already on, like my foundation, concealer and powder, and I just did some light contouring. I didn't really want to contour too much because that wasn't really like the focus of the look. You weren't really going to see the contour under all the stuff I had going on my face, so I just contoured a little bit just because I like to. Sorry by the way if my voice sounds a little bit weird at times. I'm actually recovering from a cold right now, so I feel like I sound a little bit weird probably, but that doesn't matter. So I'm just contouring my nose as I normally do. You can obviously skip this step if you want to, it's not super important. And then I usually like to go back in with some more setting powder over my contour just to help blend it in with my skin a little bit more, make it look a little bit more natural. And then we start the fun stuff. So I'm starting by making a sort of like blush circle on my cheek using a sort of muted green colour. I was trying to match the colour of my wig. For this, I sort of mixed two different eyeshadows from the James Charles Morphe palette. I used Cape Cod and Guac, and I also went over it just a little bit with Flashback. For the orange side, I used the shade 518. For my brows, I didn't want to do anything too crazy, like I didn't want to distract away from, you know, the other stuff going on, so I just filled in my brows and made them look kind of natural. Again, with this, you can do this however you want to. If you want super bold brows, you can. And then I primed my eyelids using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. And then I started by using my finger to pat on the orange shade onto my eyelid, and then moved on to using a brush to blend it out. And I sort of blended it up above my eyebrow and also below my eyes in a sort of like kind of clown sort of shape, you know, when clowns have like the lines on their eyes. I mean, you can see what I'm doing. I'm just kind of bringing the line all the way down my face pretty much, but concentrating it mostly on my cheeks and my eyelids. And then I started mapping out the sort of mouth shape using that same eyeshadow and deepening up some other areas that I wanted to be more orange. And I also added a little bit on my nose. And then of course I did the same thing on the other side using the other colours. So just patting on and blending out those sort of greenish, greyish sort of shades and just matching the other side. I also decided to go in with just a little bit of Social Blade just to make it a bit more green, but not too much because I didn't want it to be super vibrant green. I just wanted to match the colour of the wig as best I could. And then applying some kind of dramatic winged eyeliner and bringing it below my eyes. Then using a flat brush, I dipped into Spooky, the black shade, and just kind of adding some messy looking brush strokes almost, just above and below my eyes. The good thing about this look is that it doesn't have to be super neat. Like, I made it with the intention of it looking messy, so I feel like that makes this look not too difficult because obviously you don't have to spend loads of time and effort making it super neat. It's meant to look really messy, so I don't know. I feel like it's just a super fun and kind of easy look to do. And here's me trying to be cute. Wow. Moving on to the nose, I just kind of did a sort of curved triangle, teardrop shape, I guess would be the better way to describe it. And packed on some more eyeshadow inside the lines. And then I drew in the stitching because obviously it's a scarecrow, so I'm gonna have a nose patch stitched on. I really suck at doing voiceovers. But yeah, I also wanted to draw on some eyelashes underneath my eyes. I feel like drawing on the eyelashes this way helped tie the entire look together with all of the lines I was going to be drawing in as the stitching and all that stuff. So next, drawing in the mouth, just kind of extending it from the edges of my mouth all the way to the sides of my face. And drawing in the stitching. I also felt like my eyes were missing something, so I just decided to draw in some inner corners. I think that helped make it look a lot better. And then going back in over the mouth, I just wanted to thicken up all of the lines. And going back in with some more eyeshadow and just packing that on, I just wanted it to look a bit more like bold and saturated. I felt like the colours were getting a bit lost, so just adding in some more colour. I also went back in with a little bit of Spooky on the flat brush and used that to add a little bit more dimension and texture to my face. And then going in with a dark brown eyebrow pencil, I just wanted to add some freckles on my cheeks and just give my face even more texture. I had to push quite hard onto my face to get it to show up. Be careful, kids. Don't hurt yourself with eyebrow pencils. I didn't really know what I wanted to do with the lips, so I just packed some eyeshadow over them. Make sure your lips are nice and moisturised before doing this. And then I just extended the line using the eyeliner across the middle of my lips. And just blended it out a little bit. And then of course I went in and finished up all of the stitching over my lips. I also wanted to add just a little bit more to the freckles, so I used the eyeliner and gently added just a couple more. And also added a couple more of those brush strokes above my eyes. Then coating my eyelashes with mascara and getting them ready for some nice big old false lashes. I got these eyelashes from Wish. They're pretty easy to find and they're super cheap. I really like these ones because they're very sort of stacked together, like the way the lashes are sort of bunched together. I think it went really well with this look and all of the lines going on, if that makes sense. I just really like how dramatic they are, and here's me being an idiot again. I then wanted to add just a little bit of highlight, not too much. And that is the makeup portion complete. So next, moving on to the wig, just putting on my wig cap and putting on the wig. I wanted to backcomb the wig a little bit, not too much because I didn't want to ruin the wig, but I just wanted it to have a bit more volume and texture. And then that's pretty much it. so there is the look completely finished. This is how it turned out. I'm actually super happy with this. I'm really glad it turned out, like, I'm really glad that I like it, because sometimes I spend ages doing makeup that I haven't really planned and then I end up not liking it, but I'm actually really happy with this. Hopefully you guys like it as well. Let me know what you think of this look in the comments below. I'll also list all of the products that I used in this video in the description below as well, and also a link to these contact lenses, which as always are from Pastel Dreams. Remember to use my coupon code SWAYZO for 10% off. I will be posting pictures of this look as well as some other Halloween looks, which I might do videos on, might not do videos on. If I don't, you can see more looks on my Instagram, which is SWAYZO-chan. But yeah, I guess that is everything. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to leave this video a like and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you have a wonderful day and I shall see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!